Today we're comparing two budget OBD2 scanners from Uncell, the AD310 and the AD410. If you've ever had the dreaded check engine light and wondered whether it's worth buying a scanner, this video's for you. We'll go through what each one does, how they differ, and which one might be right for you. Let's jump in. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the Uncell AD310 Automotive OBD2 scanner. If you're a gearhead like us, you know the importance of having a reliable OBD2 scanner in your toolbox. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the AD310, its features, how to use it, and why it's a must-have for every car owner. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive adventure. I can provide a brief overview of the Uncell AD310 OBD2 scanner based on information available. The Uncell AD310 is a budget-friendly OBD2 scanner designed for basic diagnostic purposes on vehicles. Some key features and points to consider include: compatibility. It is compatible with most OBD2 compliant vehicles sold in the United States since 1996 and some international models. It supports several protocols, including CAN, J1850PWM, J1850VPU, ISO 9141, and KWP2000. Read and clear codes. The AD310 can read and clear trouble codes related to the engine and emission systems. It helps you identify issues that trigger the check engine light. Display. It typically features a simple, easy-to-read LCD screen that displays diagnostic trouble codes (DTCs) and their descriptions. User-friendly. The device is known for its user-friendly interface, making it suitable for beginners and DIY car enthusiasts. Live data. It can also display live data from various sensors and components in your vehicle, which can be helpful for diagnosing intermittent issues. Multilingual support. Some models may support multiple languages for user convenient button. Updatability. Check if the device can be updated with the latest software and database of trouble codes. Compact and portable. The AD310 is typically compact and easy to carry around, making it convenient for on-the-go diagnostics. DTC definitions. It provides plain language descriptions for the DTCs it retrieves, helping users understand the nature of the problem detected. Now, let's talk about how to use the Uncell AD310. Plug and play. First, locate your vehicle's OBD2 port, usually found under the dashboard near the steering column. Plug the AD310 into the port, and it will power on automatically. Key operation. 1. Turn the ignition on without starting the car. 2. Start the car. Keyless operation. 1. Press start button. Press again. Do not press brake pedal. Insert tool and read. 2. Press brake pedal and start button. Please keep in mind that the features and capabilities of specific models may vary slightly, and it's essential to refer to the user manual or the manufacturer's website for the most up-to-date information and reviews on the particular version of the Uncell AD310 you are interested in. Additionally, user reviews and experiences can provide valuable insights into the device's performance and reliability. Overall, based on our review, we highly recommend the Uncell AD310 to anyone seeking a reliable and feature-packed automotive diagnostic scanner. It's an investment that can save you time, money, and headaches by enabling you to accurately diagnose and resolve issues with your vehicle. So, if you're serious about taking control of your car's health and saving money on repairs, consider getting the Uncell AD310. We've provided a link in the description below where you can check it out for yourself. We've got something exciting to talk about: the Uncell AD410 Automotive OBD2 scanner. If you're a gearhead like us, you know the importance of having a reliable OBD2 scanner in your toolbox. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the AD410, its features, how to use it, and why it's a must-have for every car owner. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive adventures. The AD410 is not just any OBD2 scanner. It's packed with features that make it an excellent tool for both beginners and experienced DIY mechanics. It's compatible with most OBD2 compliant vehicles, which means it works with cars, SUVs, and trucks. Manufactured after 1996 in the United States and 2001 in Europe and Asia. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the Uncell AD410's features and functions. 1. Large display. The first thing you'll notice is the large, easy-to-read LCD screen. This screen displays all the essential information, making it simple for anyone to understand the data. 2. Code reading. With the AD410, you can quickly read and clear trouble codes from your vehicle's computer. These trouble codes can give you insights into what might be wrong with your car. 3. Live data stream. Additionally, the scanner can display real-time data in the form of graphs, helping you monitor various parameters like engine temperature, RPM, and more as you drive. 4. I or M readiness status. Checking your car's I or M readiness status is a breeze with this scanner. It tells you if your vehicle is ready for an emissions test, which can save you a lot of time and hassle. 5. Battery voltage check. Another useful feature is the battery voltage check. It helps you keep an eye on your car's battery health, preventing unexpected breakdowns. 6. Built-in DTC library. Even if you're not an automotive expert, the built-in DTC diagnostic trouble code library provides descriptions of trouble codes, making it easier to understand what's going on with your vehicles. Now, let's talk about how to use the ANCEL AD410. Trust me, it's as simple as 1 to 3. 1. Plug and play. First, locate your vehicle's OBD2 port, usually found under the dashboard near the steering column. Plug the AD410 into the port, and it will power on automatically. 2. Navigate the menu. Use the intuitive menu system to select the function you want. You can read and clear codes, view live data, or check your I or M readiness status with just a few button presses. 3. Interpret the results. Once you've performed a scan, the scanner will display the results. If there are trouble codes, write them down or take a picture with your phone for reference. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need the ANCEL AD410? Well, let me give you a few good reasons. 1. Save money. With the AD410, you can diagnose issues on your own, potentially saving hundreds of dollars in diagnostic fees at the mechanic. 2. Peace of mind. Knowing what's going on under the hood gives you peace of mind. You'll know when to address a problem before it becomes a costly repair. 3. Emissions testing. If you live in an area with strict emissions testing requirements, the AD410 helps ensure your vehicle is ready for inspection, reducing the stress of passing. 4. Quick fixes. For deers, this scanner is a game changer. You can identify issues and make quick fixes without guesswork. The ANCEL AD410 Automotive OBD2 scanner is a valuable tool for any car owner, whether you're a novice or a seasoned gearhead. Its ease of use and comprehensive features make it a must-have in your automotive arsenal. Final thoughts host voiceover. So, if you're serious about taking control of your car's health and saving money on repairs, consider getting the ANCEL AD410. We've provided a link in the description below where you can check it out for yourself. By the way, if you've already made up your mind, I've put both scanners' links in the description below so you can check the latest price and grab the one that suits you best. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.